Hello my dear friends, today I will teach you letter series, last class I taught you complete series. So letter series, that is odd and out. You know the sequence of these letters, already logic I have told you that sequentially if anything will not match with other elements of the group, that will odd and out. Very simple, you see. A, B, P, Q, S, T, V, Q. You see? A, B, P, Q, S, T, U, V, but V, U. So this is odd and out. So like this, if there will be, suppose P, Q, R, B, C, D, L, M, O, M, N, O. You see, sequentially, continuously, consecutive P, Q, R, B, C, D, L, M, O, not K, L, M, N, O, and third M, N, O. So this is wrong one out. So the different, just like the comparison of series, wherever you will get the odd one, that you will make it odd one out. Just like H, J, L, N. So H, J, L, N. P, R, T, V. P, R, T, V. I, K, M, O. I, K, M, O. B, D, F, H. B, D, F, H. What? B, D, F, H. Right? B, D, F, H. B, D, F, H. Right? So, now see, that is the sequence is see. H, J, I, J, K, L, M, N, all plus 2. Here you see P, Q, R, R, S, T, U, V plus 2. I, J, K plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Here B, C, D plus 2. E, F plus 2. I, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. That is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. B, C, D, D, E, F, E, F, the 2. B, C, D, D, E, F plus 2. F, G, H. Suppose this is F, K. Suppose wrong. So it will be plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. F, G, H. But here is the K. So it is wrong. Very simple. Easily you can do it. So that is all out for the letter series of what I have told you, different sequence. So accordingly you see, suppose A, Z, you see A, Z, B, Y, C, X, D, V. You see here one point, you see, while I am explaining, I am always keeping the answers options at the last end. It may be in the middle, no problem, but you should find out the clue logic first. So A, Z, A to Z, first letter, last letter, A to Z, देखो A to Z, logic, first the logic, 1 plus 26, always it will be 27. Mind it, you must get some question from this logic. B, Y, देखो 225, 324. बट हियर यू सी बी का साथ क्या होना चाहिए, 4 का साथ क्या होना चाहिए, 23. यू वी डब्ल्यू एक्स वाई जेड, सो इट शुड बी डब्ल्यू, बट बी इज गिवन, सो इट इज आउट. So what is the logic here? Total is 27, reversing the digit. Like so, or out may be of any type, so no problem. Suppose F, E, D, C, F, E, D, C, S, R, L, P, S, R, Q, P, S, R, Q, P, then S, R, Q, P, then W, V, W, ut, v w ut, ut, v w ut. So you see, then p o n m, p o n m. You see, f e b c. You see minus 1. See minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Here you see v w t. So u v w t, u v w, not right. You see. So this is wrong. This is not justified, and here also justified. And o p. So out of 3 you can find the answers. So no problem with minus 1, minus 2, plus 1, plus 2. Like this you will get it. Suppose multiple you will get G4T, J10R, M20P, M20P, then P33M, P33M. You see. Now the logic you see, P43M. Now see the logic. That is P43M. Now see the logic. I don't know it. Logic. Now see. That is P43M. G. That is logic. G plus 3. Plus 3. Yes. Plus 3. Then plus 3. Sorry. G plus 3. Then minus 2. RST this to 3. Minus 2. Minus 2. That is minus 2 on the side. It will be N. Then 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. What should be that? 10 plus 14, it should be 44. But what is given? C43. That is wrong. That is the wrong. So, this is the easy. So, nothing to teach you more on this. But there are difficult chapters are there we have to cover. Then we will send letter series. Go for the analogy. Analogy क्या अपना था? Analogy, it should be tell you this. Suppose Sam, go to my BD is equal to DE. D to D, same analogy. C plus 2, D to E plus 1. Like this, P R. You see, plus 2, Q R, and plus 1 R S. You can have it. Process very easy. You can. But the logic, difficult logic will go for it. Just to see. So, now logic you see. Suppose GCP is KFR. GCP KFR. Then HBO will be dash. Easily you can do it. You should not spare more time on this. Because this is everybody know that is letter series, very easy. You will practice of yourself. LEQ. Because the important chapters are there. Logical reasoning, number ranking, blood relations, and calendar clock. So I don't want to waste more time on this. But you see, then F5P D3S. F5P, number and letter mixed. F5P D3S. Then L9S is equal to dash. You see the relation? Minus 2 plus 3. Therefore DF minus 2. Minus difficult, but you go in reverse way. DEF or back if not possible. DEF 5 3 minus 2. PS QRS, that is plus 3. So minus 2 plus 3. This relation immediately you can get it. So here also you see L. So JKL from this side, back side reverse way, that is 5, 9, 7 minus 2. Then STUV. This is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. So that is the analogy. The analogy थोड़ा सा difficult है. Suppose DJPWQK. थोड़ा सा important I'm giving you. DJPWQK. Then BPV is equal to dash. This logic are difficult, you see. This logic are difficult, but it is coming on high, that you see. D to W, it will go on adding plus minus, it will not tell. Now give the numbering. DQ, D का 4, this is 10, this is 16. You must take the help of that numbering. D is 16. Then WQK, this is 23, this is 17, this is 11. You see, 23, 17, 11. Just you have to rotate or go on practicing. You can. You have the 2, 16, then 22. You see, 22. So what will be the answer? You see, what logic you will get it here? What I have told you on that day, A to Z, this way 1 to 26, this way 1 to 26. I told you that the reverse the process, always it will be 27. Then A will be to the Z. Like this you see, if A to Z, you will make the line like this. Suppose A is 1, 26 in reverse way. A to Z, A to Z. You must practice it. So these questions you must get it. Suppose you see these questions, you will get it. So on that way. Now see 2. What will be reversing way? Total is 27. You can check it. Or you will make the chart. If you make the chart on the paper, then you will practice it. 2. What will be number here? 25. 16 to 11. 22. 5. You see. So 25 is Y. And this 11 is K. And 5 is E. You see. You must practice it. This is important. Normal series. Reversing the, I told you, or you can tell it A to Z. You can give the logic A to Z. A to Z, A to Z. Reverse way. So you will get it D24. Accordingly, somewhere you will get the total is 27. Total you will get it. Logic. Total you may practice for the second round. Total may be 24 or 20. You will practice yourself. Total will be 24 or 20. That is. Then you will get the correct answer. This is analogy. Otherwise, letter series is easy. Make some students get full marks in this letter series. Still, you should be very punctual. Suppose you see DE is equal to WV. Then XL is equal to dash. You see, DE numbering auto, numbering you must practice it. Then 4, that is 23, and this is 22. देखो ठीक, A to Z, it will tally. So what is why A to Z 27 total. So now see H is 8, 12. So if it is 8, it will be 19. Then 12, it will be 15. Numbering. Here numbering is required. You cannot write first to last. So that is 19 and 15. That is S and Q. This is important logic. One question I have told you. Then other questions you see. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. Other type I am telling you. A, B, C, D is equal to J. What do you know from it? You see 1, 2, 3, 4. Add कर दो. You add all this. So what will be the number? 10. You see the number J का 10 होता है. This logic immediately you should recall it so that you can easily cut the questions. So you should recall this. So A, B, C, D, J. Then आएगा B, C, D, E. B, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 2, 14. So you write the 14 number each n. So right answer is n. Like this you can get it. So it has no limit. Any questions come. Though in the first round थोड़ा सा easy आया. Second round difficult. That questions I will make it. I'll give it at the time of second round. Suppose you see what a question I am telling you. Just to see. X f is equal to 6. Find the logic. Any logic? X f. What is the number of x? 24. That is 24 6. Sorry. That is 24 6. So that is 4. Find the logic. 24 divided 6 is equal to 4. That is x by f is equal to 4. You see? Unlimited logic. Question setter can set any question. Like now you get the clue. Then you see T कितना 20 वो कितना 5. It will be 4. देखो TE that will be 4. So here what will happen? Here one more question I will take here. If it is not 4, it can be given D. So 4. So numbering, you must be expert with numbering. Otherwise you cannot recall back, and it is very easy. Student thinking A to Z, that is class 1 2 में पढ़ता है, very easy. No. So it looks very easy, but it will kill all your time technically, and you will be loser by attempting the question. So you must practice seriously. Don't take it. Suppose CD, example here. L, CD, dash. CD is 3, 4. 3 into 2, 4. That's 12. L होता है कि नहीं? Like this, the logic is 3 into 7, 21. What is the number 21? You. So you should be very expert on this. Otherwise, it will take time. If you write and correct it, go through the each letters numbers, it will take time. So you should be very serious on this. Otherwise, you cannot attempt it. Suppose ABC is 6. 1 2 3. देखो 6. Then DEF is equal to कितना आएगा बोलो? DEF कितना आएगा? D4 5 6. 6 plus 5 11 plus 4 15. Suppose 15 is not in the options. So what will be the other logic you should think of it? Suppose if other logic is 3 into 2 is 6. So 6 into 5, 30 into 4, it will be 120 is the correct answer. You know the technique? If simply you think of plus, 6, 7, 6, plus का option नहीं है. So what to do? You think for other options, that is 120. थोड़ा सा intelligent smart चाहिए. Otherwise, it is not problem. Easily you can solve all the questions easily. But it is the practice is required. Mainly you should make the chart. Just like I told you, ABCD already I told you. So this is ABCD 126, etc. 225. Numbering code 3 24 4 23. Like this means this direction, this is this, and this direction, and make a chart, and with this seeing that chart also you make a number of questions. It's the best way, not that purchasing a guide from market and practicing, it will no value. If you can ask your parents, in the even mothers also, to make these questions only with the time you sit at home and practice yourself. Alright. Then you can make the speedy one. And this you should remember it. Where it will be 27. 27. If 24 total क्या आएगा? H1 का साथ कितना आएगा? 23. 2 का साथ कितना आएगा? 22. Right? So it is coming 20 total 24 or 20. 3 2 3 method. You should practice it. No problem. So accordingly, that's it. Letter series is easy, and letter series another. Now see, my dear students, already I finished that letter series and number series. So I will give you the question papers, number series and letter series. I will give you the question papers. on Telegram channel, and after 2 days I will give you the answer sheet. You can practice and you can get the question papers and answer evaluate yourself sitting at your home. Okay, thank you all. So next class I will go for the most important chapters, that is coding and decoding. Okay, thank you.